This video demonstrates how to configure the function of sending session logs on a firewall. Sessions are used to record the connection status between both communication parties. When the firewall forwards traffic, sessions are generated and corresponding session logs are recorded. The firewall can send session logs to the log server. Administrators can view session logs to locate faults related to traffic forwarding on the firewall. The following describes how to configure the function of sending session logs to the log server. This video demonstrates how to configure session log sending. It does not include configuration steps related to service access. First, configure interfaces as follows. On the Firewall web UI, choose Network. Interface. Add the interface to the DMZ and configure the interface IP address. Here, only the configuration of the interface connecting the firewall to the log server is provided. Configuration details for other interfaces are not provided. Then configure the session logging function. Choose Policy. Security Policy. Edit the security policy for which session logs need to be recorded and toggle on record session logs. In this way, sessions are established on the firewall for the traffic matching the security policy, and session logs are recorded accordingly. Next, configure the log host and log format. Choose System. Log configuration and set the session log format to binary. Enter the IP address of the log server and use the default port number 9002. Configure the encrypted transmission password. Finally, configure the log server. The following uses SecoManager as an example to describe how to configure the log server. Access the Device Log Management app and choose Log Access. Log Source Management. Enter the log source name and type, as well as the firewall IP address to create a log source. Choose Log Access. Log Access Management and create a log access task. Enter a task name, set rule set to firewall binary, and enter port 9002. Enter the password. Select the created log source. Select the collector of the log server. The configuration is then complete. You can choose Log Query, IPv4 Session Query and Query Session Logs.